Today, analysts say that the plane is one of the safest methods of travel, but not when we talk about air shows, where the pilot's trying to perform aerobatic, but unfortunately, sometimes it's the last flight for them. The Ramstein air show disaster occurred on Sunday, August 28, 1988, during the Flugtag 88 air show at the U.S. Ramstein Air Base near the city of Kaiserslautern, West Germany. Aircraft of the Italian Air Force display team collided during their display, crashing to the ground in front of a crowd of about 300,000 people. 67 spectators and 3 pilots died. 346 spectators sustained serious injuries in the resulting explosion and fire, and hundreds of others had minor injuries. 10 Aermacchi MB-339 Pan jets from the Italian Air Force display team, Frecce Tricolori, were performing their pierced heart formation. In this formation, 2 groups of aircraft create a heart shape in front of the audience along the runway. In the completion of the lower tip of the heart, the 2 groups pass each other parallel to the runway. The piercing aircraft crashed onto the runway, and consequently both the fuselage and resulting fireball of aviation fuel tumbled into the spectator area. On September 16, 2011, at the Reno Air Races, a North American P-51D Mustang crashed into spectators, killing the pilot and 10 people on the ground and injuring 69 others. The aircraft was named the Galloping Ghost and was flown by James Leeward. The Skyleliv air show disaster occurred on the 27th of July 2002 when a Ukrainian Air Force Sukhoi Su-27, piloted by Volodymyr Topinar and co-piloted by Yuri Yegorov, crashed during an aerobatics presentation at Skyleliv Airfield near Lviv, Ukraine. The accident killed 77 people and injured 543, 100 of whom were hospitalized. It is the deadliest air show accident in history. The Su-27 aircraft entered a rolling maneuver with a downward trajectory at low altitude. Having rolled upright once more, the aircraft was still descending rapidly, and the left wing dropped shortly before the aircraft hit the ground, at which point the crew initiated ejection. On the 22nd of August 2015, a vintage jet aircraft crashed during a display at the Shoreham Air Show at Shoreham Airport, England, killing 11 people and injuring 16 others. It was the deadliest airshow accident in the United Kingdom since the 1952 Farnborough Air Show crash, which killed 31 people. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.